right, here's exactly how I'd hit $10,000 a month online if I had to restart my entire agency tomorrow. And I'm not going to give you some vague motivational nonsense. I'm going to give you a practical 30-day roadmap, step by step, using the exact same tools I use right now. And I know what I'm talking about because I run a social media marketing agency, and last month we generated over $400,000 in revenue. Let me refresh my payment processor real quick just so you can see this is legit. I do this every video because if someone on YouTube isn't showing you their real numbers, you probably shouldn't listen to them. So there it is. Over $400,000 in revenue, roughly 350 active clients, and we charge about $1,000 a month. And the business I'd start? An AI-powered social media marketing agency. Because right now, local businesses are absolutely desperate for social media help, and they don't even know it yet. And later in this video, I'm going to show you how I created 5 professional social media posts for a real business in under 10 minutes using one AI prompt. It even pulled their brand colors and the business owner's photo straight from their website. So stick around for that. Let's jump in, starting with chapter 1, pick your weapon, days 1 through 3. This is the only window I'm going to give you to consume content. Go on YouTube, go on Google, and just learn the basics of how an online business works, how people actually make money on the internet, what models are out there, and look at different business types, softwares, agencies, freelancing, coaching, and so on. Just absorb for a day or two so you can conceptualize that this is actually possible. One of the places I started when trying to build my AI software offer was going to the high-level Level Up Awards page. These are all real people who are making real money with this exact software. Websites, AI, voice agents, automation, all kinds of stuff. The point is, these are real companies using someone else's software. They didn't build any of it themselves. It cost them $497 a month, and they're reselling it to as many small businesses as they can find. In fact, I walked on stage and received a gold award not too long ago, which is what you get from having at least 100 active paying customers at a minimum of $97 a month. That means everyone on the gold list is probably making at least $9,000 a month minimum. And on platinum, those people have over 500 customers, and diamond is over 1,000. So you have people on this list making $10,000 a month, $100,000 a month, some of them making millions. I'll leave the link in the description. Then you can literally Google them, see what they sell, and reverse engineer their entire business model. That's your cheat code. Don't reinvent the wheel. Find what's already working and put your own spin on it. So by the end of day 3, you should know exactly what you're going to sell. And for me, if I'm restarting, it's AI-powered social media management. One product, one niche. That's it. Chapter 2, find your first client, days 3 through 7. Now let me explain to you why an AI-powered social media agency is the easiest business to sell right now. I literally went on Instagram and searched for businesses in Atlanta, and honestly, it was embarrassing what I found. I found a dental practice right here in Midtown Atlanta called Atlanta Dental Center. They have 2 dentists. They do general dentistry, implants, cosmetic dentistry. A legit business. They have 246 Instagram followers, and they've posted 6 times. 6 posts total. For a dental practice in Midtown Atlanta, one of the fastest growing metro areas in the country with over 6 million people. And here's the thing, they're not the exception. They're the rule. I'd say 70 to 80% of local businesses have either no social media presence or a terrible one. These businesses are leaving money on the table every single day because patients, customers, clients, they're all checking Instagram and Facebook before they book an appointment or walk through the door. And when they see 6 posts and 246 followers, they keep scrolling. So here's what I do. And what I'm about to show you is the single most powerful sales weapon in this entire business model. If you learn nothing else from this video, learn this next part. Chapter 3, the AI demo that sells itself, days 3 through 7. All right, this is where it gets good. I'm going to show you exactly how I'd create a full week of social media content for Atlanta Dental Center using HighLevel's Ask AI feature. And here's the key. I'm going to include their website URL in the prompt so Ask AI actually pulls their real branding. Now, real quick, if you don't already have a HighLevel account, pause this video right now, go click the link in the description and start your free trial. Then come back because you can literally follow along with me step by step. And when you sign up through my link, you also get access to my full AI business blueprint course completely free on SeanStanberry.com. All right, watch this. I opened Ask AI inside HighLevel and typed one single prompt. I told it the business name, pasted in their website URL, AtlantaDentalCenter.com, and asked for 5 specific Instagram graphics. a before and after, an educational carousel, a meet the doctor spotlight, a myth versus fact, and a seasonal promo. That's it. One prompt. Hit send. And what happened next blew my mind. Ask AI went to work. It actually visited their website, pulled their logo, and extracted their exact brand colors from the CSS. It found their primary color is a deep forest green, their accent color is a rich gold, and clean white as the base. Not some generic color palette it made up. Their actual brand colors pulled directly from their website, and then it generated all 5 graphics using those real brand elements. Let me walk you through what it created. Post 1 is a before and after smile transformation. You can see it right there. Professional split image, their brand colors, their practice name in the footer. Before and afters are the highest engagement format for dental practices because they're visual proof. Pair it with a CTA like DM a smile to learn more, and this thing prints leads. Post 2 is an educational carousel. 5 signs you're overdue for a dental checkup. Look at that. Their forest green, their gold accents, swipe to find out, call to action. Carousels earn 3 times more reach than single posts on Instagram because people save and share them. You can post something like this weekly. Post 3 is a Meet the Doctor Team Spotlight post. Now this is where it gets crazy. Ask AI actually created a doctor photo from their website and put it right in the graphic. Look at that. It humanizes the practice. But because it doesn't have permissions to use photos and names, it does its best to recreate something similar. This would probably need to be edited by simply prompting again. Then there's post 4, which is a myth versus fact, teeth whitening. This one's fire. Myth, whitening damages your enamel. Fact, professional whitening is safe when done correctly. Myth versus fact posts are engagement machines. People love commenting with their own opinions, and the algorithm loves comments. And lastly, post 5 is spring promo for teeth whitening. Seasonal promotions give people a reason to book now instead of later. This creates urgency. And look, it's got their branding, their website, a clear call to action. Ready to post. All 5 graphics, professional quality, using their actual brand colors pulled straight from their website and ready to go from one single prompt. But here's where it gets even crazier. I then typed a second prompt. This looks good. Now let's schedule the post to Facebook. That's it. Ask AI immediately found the connected Facebook page, asked me how I wanted to spread them out. I chose every 2 days at 10 a.m. and it wrote all 5 captions with hashtags and gave me this beautiful approval screen that said, schedule 5 Facebook posts for Atlanta Dental Center with every single post, date, and time laid out. And all I had to do was click one button. Yes, schedule all 5 posts. 2 prompts and I went from 0 to 5 professional social media graphics with their real branding, captions, hashtags, and a full posting schedule. No Canva, no graphic designer, no hours of content planning. If you're getting value from this video, hit the like button for me. It helps more than you think. This is the power of an AI-powered social media agency in 2026. You're generating professional social media content with AI, pulling a prospect's actual brand identity from their website, scheduling it directly to Facebook and Instagram from the same platform, and charging a client $500 to $1,000 a month to do it. The margins on this business are insane. Now, everything I just showed you, the AI graphics, the brand extraction from the website, the one-click scheduling to Facebook, that's all inside High Level. This is the platform we use to manage our entire agency and all 350 of our clients. If you haven't started your free trial yet, use my link in the description below. And when you sign up through my link, you also get access to my full AI business blueprint course for free on SeanStanberry.com. I'll leave the link in the description. Chapter 4, go get your first client, days 7 through 15. All right, now this is the most important chapter in this entire video, and I need you to really hear me on this. Days 7 to 15. Your only job is to get a client. That's it. Not learn more, not build more, not optimize your high-level account. Get a client. Now I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, Sean, but I have no idea how to actually get someone to pay me. And here's the thing most people won't tell you. The fastest way to get your first client is cold outreach. And I know that scares people. I know it does. But let me tell you something. My first big client, I didn't get them from a Facebook ad. I didn't get them from a viral TikTok. I literally walked into a business, introduced myself, showed them what I could do, and offered them a 14-day free trial. That's it. No fancy pitch deck, no website. I walked in, showed them their own terrible social media, showed them what I could create for them with AI, and said, let me run your social media for 14 days, completely free. If you love it, we'll talk about a monthly plan. And here's what happened. After those 14 days, the results spoke for themselves. They became a paying client. And that one client gave me the confidence, the testimonial, and the proof I needed to go get the next one. So here's your playbook for days 7 to 15. Option A, cold calling and cold visiting, the fastest path. Go on Google Maps or Instagram. Search for businesses in your area. Dentists, med spas, restaurants, contractors, chiropractors, whatever niche you chose. Look at their social media. If it's bad, and it will be for most of them, you've got a prospect. Call them or walk in. Say something like, hey, I run an AI-powered social media agency. I noticed your Instagram has a ton of potential, but it's not really being used. I'd love to show you what I can do. Can I create a few sample posts for you and you tell me what you think? That's it. You're not asking them to buy anything. You're offering to show them value first. Those 5 posts I just created for Atlanta Dental Center, that's exactly what you pull up on your phone and show them. You walk in with their posts already made. When they see 5 professional AI generated posts tailored to their business, created in 10 minutes, they're going to want more. Trust me. Now, cold calling is scary. I get it. I was stuttering on the phone when I first started. I didn't really understand why social media was important. I was just out there doing it anyway. And after hundreds of calls, I just got good. I got confident. I started knowing what questions were coming before people even asked them. You just get better by doing it. There is no shortcut around this part. Option B, content creation, the warm lead path. But here's the thing. If cold calling makes you so nervous that you're going to quit, then don't cold call. Because quitting is worse than doing it the slow way. And this is where a lot of people fail. They hear cold call and they just shut down. They never start. So if that's you, here's your secondary path. Create content every single day. Carousel posts, educational content, behind the scenes of your agency, tips for business owners, before and after examples of social media makeovers. Post it on Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. And here's the beautiful part. You're going to use the exact same tool you use for your clients. Go into high level, open Ask AI, and generate social media content for your own agency. What you're doing is building a portfolio and generating warm leads at the same time. People will see your content, see the transformations you're creating, and they'll come to you. They'll DM you, they'll comment, they'll ask, hey, can you do this for my business? Now, the catch is you have to treat this like a job. The algorithm rewards consistency, and if you post 3 times and then disappear for 2 weeks, this doesn't work. So every Sunday, use Ask AI to batch create a week's worth of content, schedule it all through high-level social planner, and let it run on autopilot. Either way, option A or option B, the goal is the same. Get one client, just one. I don't even care if they pay you at first. Get a credit card, offer a free trial, do it for a testimonial. All I care about is that you go from I have no clients to a stranger on the internet just trusted me to handle their social media. That moment changes everything. You just spawned a business out of thin air. And in the next chapter, I'm going to break down the exact math, what this costs, what you charge, and when you hit pure profit. Chapter 5, scale the machine, days 15 through 30. So at this point, you should have at least 1 client, maybe 2. And now we're going to run it back and build a system so you can get to $10,000 a month. The first thing you're going to do is build out that first client account yourself. Set up their high-level sub-account, connect their social media, create their content, schedule their posts. Do it yourself one time so you understand the full process. Then on the second client, you're going to record yourself doing the entire setup screen. Record everything. And this is critical because by client 3, you should not be the one doing this work anymore. You have 2 options. First, you could hire a project-based virtual assistant. Go on Upwork, create a job listing. It's like $30 to $35 to post and boost it. Look for VAs in South America with fluent English. And here's the key. In the job listing, ask every applicant to send you a 1-minute Loom video explaining why they'd be a good fit. Anyone who doesn't send a Loom, skip them. Anyone who does, watch the video, and if they seem sharp, interview them. The next option is to actually use AI to build your own project-based AI assistant. For this, I would look at something like Claude Cowork that can literally create the posts, create emails and follow-ups for clients, and handle other support-related issues. I'm currently working on this, so if you would like to see a video once I finish, tell me in the comment section below. I'm curious how many people would rather have a real virtual assistant versus an AI virtual assistant. Because if you want to scale to $10,000 per month, then the key is to stop spending all your time on delivery. Instead of spending hours managing clients, you spend more time on sales calls, walking into businesses, creating content for your own brand, and closing deals. And here's when it clicks. You wake up one morning, check your phone, and your assistant has already onboarded a new client. Your content for the week is scheduled. Your clients are happy. And you realize you just made money with very little effort. That's the moment you stop feeling like a freelancer and start feeling like a business owner. And that's when this thing really takes off. So look, the biggest takeaway from this entire video is this: stop building and start selling. You do not need to be an expert to get started. I wasn't. I was stuttering on cold calls. I didn't fully understand why social media mattered. And I literally walked into a random business and offered a free trial just to get my first client. And that one decision led to a $400,000 a month agency. The tools are better than ever, so just follow this roadmap, and within the next 30 days, you could be running a real business that is on its way to making $10,000 per month. Now, coming up next, I have a video where I break down the exact high-level AI features we use every single day to manage 350 clients. So if you want to see the full behind the scenes of how we actually use Ask AI, Content AI, and the social planner to run our agency, go watch that next. And I'll see you over there.